Hello guys, I want to show you where you can find the download stuff on your LG Q60. So let's open the management folder, click on the file manager, and here it is, the download folder. So as you can see, currently there's no files, but of course I'm going to show you that this works. So now we are on our website and we are clicking on this image, click on the download image, continue, allow, and now when we enter here again, our downloaded pic will be here. So as you can see, click always. As you can see, this is how it works on this device. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.